Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for being here. My name's Kristen, and I'd love for you to hit that red subscribe button down below so we can become friends. For today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a book haul. This is the first time that I've done a book haul on my channel, or I think it is. I think I probably filmed one but didn't put it up. But anyways, I'm pretty sure this is the first time of me doing a book haul on my channel. I really love to read, and I've gotten some new books that I want to finish by the end of the year, and I thought, why not share it with you? I feel like fall time is like the perfect time because it's so cold outside that you can just stay in and read some good books. And yeah, hopefully I give you some inspiration on some books that you could be reading already. So the first book I'm going to be talking about is Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, and It's All Small Stuff by Richard Carlson. And this is a fairly small book. It has like small little excerpts in it, and yeah, it's pretty much all about how to deal with anxiety. Pretty much what the title states, like, don't sweat the small stuff. I've been dealing with anxiety and depression my entire life, and lately it's been a little bit worse, and I think this would really help me. So yeah, reading books and things that I can't control, kind of, I guess, if that makes sense, really helps me kind of put myself in perspective and not feel so alone that I'm like the only one going through this. Obviously there's books on this, so I can't be the only one. So reading something like this really puts my mind at ease, and I think it will help me out. And if you guys struggle with anxiety or depression, maybe this book will help you out too. I have read a couple pages, and so far I really like it. But if you want me to do like a book review of these books that I have read, I can totally do that for you guys too. The next book I want to show you guys is the book Everybody Always, and it's by Bob Goff. And like down here it says, Becoming Love in a World Full of Setbacks and Difficult People. So I feel like some of my anxiety and depression come from me not being able to control everything in my life, and that's something like I think I've always struggled with. So definitely being able to overcome those setbacks and those things that are just out of my control would really help. This is a book, I think it's more of a Christian book, or Christian based, so I really love that about it. I have read almost half by now of this book, and I really do enjoy it. It's almost like little chapters of like almost like a diary, or like little lessons to pretty much just what it says, love everybody, no matter what. Like, no matter if you can't stand them, you have to find it in you to love them as who they are. So yeah, I really like this book so far. I give it a plus. So if you want to pick up this book, I did get this, I think, at Hobby Lobby. So yeah. The next book I picked up was Contagious by Jonah Berger, and it's Why Things Catch On. It's like one of the little things on it, and it says it's a New York Times bestseller, which I think I think all of them are. But yeah, this is kind of, I think, about marketing and kind of seeing why things become popular and stuff like that. I'm super into marketing. That's what I want to eventually end up getting into. But yeah, this book I thought would be really cool. I'm very like business oriented. I like learning about like why like things happen in business, what makes you successful in business and stuff like that. So I'm really into that. So this would be a good book for me, I feel. So we'll see if it's good. The next book I picked up was Unshakable by Tony Robbins, and he's pretty much the most influential, best person to go to if you have any problems. Read any of his books. So yeah, I watched like this documentary, I think it was like a documentary or something like that on Netflix, and I really liked it. So yeah, I thought I'd pick up his book. I did read one book before this book that I picked up, but I honestly can't remember what it was, so I'm probably gonna end up repurchasing it and buying it again. But that was a really long time ago. This is all about financial freedom, pretty much being able to manage your money correctly and all that stuff. And again, I'm really into that because I have always grown up like knowing about credit and being financially stable and stuff like that. So I think it would be great to kind of have a recap on all those good lessons. The next book I picked up was The Productivity Project by Chris Bailey, and it says accomplishing more by managing your time, attention, and energy. I definitely feel like I struggle with all of those. I feel like I'm like gung-ho for everything, like late at night, and I'm like, I'm gonna get it done, I'm gonna eat healthy, and I'm gonna wake up early in the morning, and blah blah blah, and I never end up doing it. So I think this would really help me focus my mind on really making my goals work. I have not read this or even looked at it really. I just picked it up merely because I've heard so many good things about it. But yeah, I am super excited to read that one because I feel like it would definitely help me maybe attain my goals and teach me a little bit more about how to focus and manage my time and all that, especially with me having another child on the way. I think that would really help me out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a review on all these books after I'm done reading them, definitely leave me a comment down below letting me know. And if you have any book recommendations, definitely let me know as well in the comments. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! Hey,